Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use an inhaler. First, always shake your inhaler well before each use to ensure the medication is properly mixed. Then, remove the cap from the mouthpiece and visually inspect it. Make sure there are no small objects or debris inside that could block the spray. This preparation step is crucial for effective medication delivery and your safety. Next, breathe out completely, emptying your lungs as much as possible. This creates space for the medication. Place the mouthpiece into your mouth, ensuring your lips form a tight seal around it. As you begin to breathe in slowly and deeply through your mouth, press down firmly on the canister to release one puff of medication. Continue to inhale steadily. After inhaling, remove the inhaler from your mouth and hold your breath for 10 seconds, or as long as you comfortably can. This allows the medication to settle deep within your lungs. Then, exhale slowly through your mouth. If your doctor has prescribed more than one puff, wait about 1 minute before repeating the process for the next dose. Proper care keeps your inhaler working effectively. Clean your inhaler mouthpiece at least once a week by rinsing it thoroughly with warm water. Make sure to let it air dry completely before reattaching it to the canister. Never wash the metal canister itself. And speaking of valuable resources, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.